Welcome, my name's Arna, and today I wanted to show you open tip orders on the POS. So first of all, let me show how this is set up at the back end. So these are our POS configuration locations. I'm going to open up Napa, and here I have set enable hold orders for tips, and that is what I want to show you today. So let's bring up the POS and open it up. We'll log in and we'll place an order. Get a bottle of wine as well. Assign a name to it or a table and check out. Now this time we normally would like to use credit cards and either swipes or chip read, but I can't present that in these with this screen mirroring system. So we're going to go with cash all the way. So let's first do an order where we are not accepting a tip when the payment is made. And so let's put $90 as our tender. Done. And we're going to be asked whether we want to hold this order for tip. Now, obviously this makes a lot more sense when using credit cards and not cash, but can be used for cash too. Now it takes me back to the new order screen, and if I look here at the tip orders, there's Paul, and I've got this one order that's still open for tip. Let's make another one. Buy something similar, and we're going to call this one Siri. And we're going to check out. This time we're going to take the tip at the same time as we take the payment. I'll use this tip suggestions function. We'll tender $120 and get some change, and I'm going to hit done, and this time the screen to hold for tip did not come up because we've already received a tip. Now let's look at the tip orders. There's the one from Paul, and I'm going to select it. It's come back with a tip that I can assign to it. So let's say give a $10 tip. I'm done. I will now print the final receipt, which includes the tip, and close the order. Okay, let's do the same thing with splits. So let's buy, I didn't want that. Let's buy some tastings and a wine. And we'll put on this order Siri. Check out. Now I'm going to take this and in splits, so we'll split it in two. So that would be $42. Oh, has to put a tender in. And let's do the next one. And we will tender $40. Oops. And I will hold it open for tips. So now here is my Siri order, and there are two payments. And so that would be two people, and either one of these can then be giving me a tip. So let's say I take a $10 tip from one, and I'll take a $7 tip from the other. And then I can print the receipts and close the order. Now it's important to note that these open orders are in an authorized state. They are not closed. You do need to close out tip orders to receive money from the credit card company if you're using credit card payments. Next thing I wanted to show you is an add-on feature for this. So let me open up the POS config again and finalize payment at checkout. This is an option that I want to show you and I want to use. And it goes together with the hold tip orders. They are a pair. So I'm going to say yes to this. So this will only work if you have hold orders for tips turned on. Let's get our POS back. Now I've made a change to the configuration of the POS. Therefore I'm going to need to log out. And up here in the corner there is a button, up right hand corner there's a button called Clear Cache. I'm going to clear the cache and then log back in. That clear cache will ensure that we get the new configuration set up. So this time let's do another sale. And we'll make it for Paul. Add a wine. And now we're going to check out. And I'm going to take cash. I'm going to take no tip. But notice there is a button here that was not there before. Finalize payment. If you check that and then hit, still need to do a tender, done, it will not bring up that hold for tip window. So that is a way to bypass that without the tip. Those are the tricks I wanted to show you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next time.